The market theme vertical bar Nifty's rebound rally likely to gain momentum. The positive catalyst vertical bar WTI crude prices tumbled towards $95 per barrel, as reports suggest the US and Iran are close to a peace understanding. Geopolitical worries are fading, with the Donald Trump administration reportedly working toward a memorandum to end the conflict. Helping sentiments vertical bar the Nasdaq Composite and S&P 500 have scaled fresh all-time highs. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is closing in on the psychological 50,000 mark, after having first crossed it earlier on February this year. Our call of the day, the Nifty 50 is poised to reclaim bullish momentum and aim for 21st April high of 24,602. Cooling oil is equal to lower inflation fears, a key tailwind for Nifty and its stocks. Bottom line vertical bar Nifty's rebound rally is likely to gather momentum as the undertone suggests resilience, with markets attempting to regain footing as global fears cool marginally. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's bullish session, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs 5,835 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 6,837 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are suggesting massive rebound play. Fando May month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has slipped near 16.68 levels. At last check, USD INR, May, had cooled near 94.49 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th May, is at 1.17 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.93. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.78. Mid-cap Nifty is at 1.28. Nifty outlook vertical bar it likely to be up again for benchmark Nifty as with resilience clearly visible on backdrop of cooling oil prices and supportive global cues strengthen the bullish undertone. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 24,331. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 24,251 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,602 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,250 and 24,550. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 77,959. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 76,550 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 79,367 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 77,700 to 78,700. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 55,981. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 55,113 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 57,438 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 55,600 and 56,700. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. In yesterday's trade, Nifty surged 1.24% towards 24,331, marking a two-week high and recovering sharply from recent losses. The government's $1.9 billion credit guarantee scheme boosted sentiment, especially for sectors impacted by Middle East disruptions. Interglobe Aviation jumped 6.6%, leading gains in aviation stocks. Stocks in spotlight. Banking stocks rallied strongly, with HDFC Bank rising 3.1% after reports of no major governance lapses, clearing the path for the CEO's reappointment. Key Q4 earnings today, Thursday, 7th May. Bharat Forge, Biocon, Dabur, Escorts, Lupin, MRF, Pidilite. 1. Ajanta Pharma gained 6.86% after reporting healthy Q4 FY26 earnings. Net profit up 18.4% YoY, 266.7 crore rupees, though down 2.6% QoQ. Revenue rose 21.5% YoY to 1,421.64 crore rupees. Growth driven by steady traction in branded markets. 2. Larsen & Toubro slipped 1.13% despite strong top-line growth. Net profit declined 3.1% YoY to 5,325.6 crore rupees. Revenue increased 11.25% YoY to 82,762.16 crore rupees. Margins weighed, even as execution and order pipeline remained strong. Larsen & Toubro announced a mega order win from JSW Steel. Order size estimated between 10,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees crore. 3. SRF Limited saw strong buying interest, up 7.8% after reporting robust Q4 results. Announced a 2,300 crore rupees capex plan to set up a new plant in Odisha. 4. Raymond Limited surged 17%. Profit jumped 71% QoQ. However, declined 53% YoY, indicating mixed earnings quality. 5. KPI Green Energy gained 5.8% on reporting strong earnings. Net profit up 49% YoY to 155.48 crore rupees. Growth supported by higher revenues and execution momentum.